Hello and welcome back to Diecast DIY. Joe here, and it is the end of January, and I thought it'd be neat to do a little recap. And so what I have in front of me is every vehicle that we have done a video of a wheel swap on for the month of January. I'll try to do this at the end of every month to let you guys see collectively what all was done as far as wheel swaps on the channel. We do a lot of wheel swaps on this channel. So yeah, I'll come back there and get you, bring you right here, and get you a closer look at these fantastic wheel swaps performed in the last month, in the month of January. All right. Don't get motion sickness there. Gonna do a little adjusting on the tripod here. And there we go. Now we're looking pretty good. So take an overall glance from left to right. Again, these are all the wheel swaps that were done on the DIY Diecast channel for last month. And we'll go ahead and take a closer look at each one. All right. First, we have the Lamborghini wheel swap, if you remember that one. Looking very sharp in the red, green, and white with the gold and silver trimmed Real Rider rubber tire wheels. And I just kind of clipped a piece of the original card off and stuck it in the back of the little display case and shot some screws up through there just to keep it from bouncing around in there. Put the episode number on there as well as a little signature there. And that is the Lamborghini Huracan. Next, had a lot of likes on this one. It's the 78 Dodge Hot Wheels Mainline Little Red Express. And we got those terrible looking wheels off of that and swapped it with these beauties, these Real Rider rubber tires on the 5-spoke chrome deep dish rims. I painted in the tail lights and the marker lights, as you can see. And again, cut a piece of the card, signed it, shot a screw in there, keep her steady. Looking very nice. Next, this one got a lot of thumbs up too. It is the Aston Martin Vulcan. Just a beautiful, beautiful mainline Hot Wheels car with another gold and silver trimmed Real Rider rubber tire swap. Encased and signed with the episode number. Next, the Toyota Land Cruiser. We went up with this one with those beautiful yellow letter BF Goodrich 4-wheel drive Real Rider rubber tires. And touched in the little lights on the bumper guard there. And they did a pretty good job of detailing that one up otherwise. All right. And last, but certainly not least, well, no, there are a few more to go. Just got a few out of the cases here. My mistake. It is the Big K K5 Blazer. And this is one of two that were done last month. This one is the silver wheel variation with the Real Rider white letter tires. And also did a little customizing, colored in the marker lights on that one as well. Looking very nice. And the next one, it's the black wheeled version of the Big K K5 Blazer. Yellow letter BF Goodwrench real Ryder rubber tires. Again, touched in some of the details like the marker lights and the door handles there. Looking very nice. Now, the other ones have the original Hot Wheels card in it. And the reason that this has a big K in the background is kind of get you in my thought process here. These are Adventure Force. These are not Hot Wheels brand castings. They're from Maisto, and they were on a short card. So there just wasn't much card to put in the back of the display case. And I wanted something red to kind of match the Blazers. And I was just going through the cardboard bins in the recycle, just looking for some red cardboard, and I ran across the big K case, and I was like, well, that's just perfect for the big K, K5 Blazer, big K. Yeah, so that was my thought process behind those. And then I have two loose ones here that after this video, I'll be putting these in display cases. Just haven't gotten around to that yet. But we have the Power Plower on the real Ryder rubber tires. Yellow letter BF Goodwrench. And just a fantastic classic casting with a now far more realistic version of wheels on there. Be going in the case shortly. And now last but not least, it is the Hot Wheels 55th Anniversary Acura Integra. And put a little stance on this one. Did the Real Ryder rubber tire swap. Classic deep dish 5-spoke chrome rims. The car already had this beautiful matte black paint job on it with the anniversary decals. And just a very nice example of the Acura Integra. But what I did differently with this one too, as opposed to the rest of these, it being a tuner and all, I put the wheel spacers in this one to kind of give it that skateboarded look. Kind of get those tires outside of the fender wells and giving it a more stanced look. Alright, that's every wheel swap car from our channel for the month of January. And these are also available on my eBay store, DIY Diecast. By the time you're watching this video, most of these are up there. Still got to get these two in the cases before they make it onto there. But if you're interested in any of these vehicles, I do so many, it would be just impossible to keep them. So I offer them with a little bit of information where you could go back and watch the actual episode where your car was wheel swapped and customized. And yep, that's DIY Diecast at eBay. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. And go ahead and subscribe so that you can see all the fantastic wheel swaps and all the other great diecast videos. We do a lot of unboxing as well and other customizations. And when you subscribe, you are notified of when the next video drops. Until next time, catch you later.